Okay, let's talk about how to work through the coursework. Now that we're back in red, the biggest question that I got asked all the time was, do I have to attend Zoom? And here is my response to that. I would love for you to attend Zoom. However, I know that a lot of you don't have the access through your internet or through your computer because you don't have the resources to access Zoom and attend Zoom meetings. That's fine. I understand that. However, I will pester you and say, I really think it's a great idea if you can attend Zoom to attend it every time we have a period for whatever period you're in. Okay. Now, when you come in on a Zoom call, we are going to be discussing any announcements, anything that I think is important for you to know. But if there's any instruction in those Zoom meetings, I'll be sure to record it and put it up for those of you who maybe can't get on right then, but can get on later to view it. Okay. So we're trying to be flexible and we're trying to compromise. We know that not everybody has the same situation, the same access. So there's a difference, though. There's a difference between zooming in for class and finishing your homework, right? So just because you're zooming in for class doesn't mean that you have got your points for the day and you're done. Okay, zooming in for the class is the best way to make sure you succeed along with doing your classwork. Now, if you see on your screen, you should see week 9, which is this upcoming week, okay? And you should also see day 1, day 2, day 3, 4 with the bell ringers for each. It's labeled bell ringer or warm up, because obviously you don't have a bell at home, right? And then you have your assignments. I've put one on each day, but you can take the entire week to do all of them. I usually put them in order from when you should do them to the last one you should do, first one to the last one. So I'll always put the things that I want you to do first on Monday and then Tuesday, Wednesday, and Thursday. So that way you can make sure you're doing them in order, just so that you don't get lost by that last assignment and you're thinking, I'm supposed to be doing this one first or last. So that's how you can tell which one should be done first. Go Monday, Tuesday, or day 1, day 2, day 3, day 4. Okay. Now you'll also note that I put the must do, can do, or should do on those assignments. Now, if you have to remember, or if you need some help remembering what must do, should do, and can do means, go back to the video that I recorded that talks about must do, should do, and can do assignments. But I've labeled them with points because if you do them, the must do has to be done. Everybody's doing that. But if you do the can do and the should do, I will give you the points for those. If you don't do them because you just aren't able to get to them, then I will excuse you from those assignments. Okay, so it won't count against you, but you're not going to get any points otherwise. No, I shouldn't say that. You're not going to get any points for those assignments. Okay, you will be getting points if you do your must-dos. All right, hopefully that helps you clear up any of the frustration or the ambiguity, not being clear about how we want to do our assignments, attending Zoom. We use the words synchronous or asynchronous a lot. Synchronous means we're all meeting together. Asynchronous means we are meeting by ourselves or doing work by ourselves. So we are trying to give you the opportunity to be synchronous and work together and be online and have class and use that time on Zoom to actually work on your assignments. But if you're not able to do that and you're only able to do asynchronous work, we understand that. We understand Nikiski has a hard time having internet at everybody's house, right? And so we want to make sure that you are still able to equitably, that means not necessarily fair, but giving everybody what they need, that time and the resources to get it done. So if you need paper copies, or if you need physical copies of books, or you need printed out instructions, I am happy to get all of that to you as long as you are on the paper system and you let the office know. All right, you can do it. I believe in you.